Welcome to the Modern Mama Shark Louboutin Preloved mini-series. Red Soul, Old Soul. Today's vintage treasure is the Dora Cora. Talk about the perfect shoe for Valentine's Day. So when heartbreak has you browsing at 2 a.m., here's what you really need to know. Let's find out if these are your soulmates. The Dora Cora came out in 2015. But when I look at it, I feel like I'm staring at a 1950s pinup shoe brought back to life. It's a total pinup dream, but with signature red bottom lacquer. That curved silhouette and big heart are pure mid-century glamour. Playful, romantic, and full of personality. Alright guys, let's go through the stats on this one. So the Dora Cora that I have is 100 millimeters, but I've actually seen these in flat versions as well. So if you're not into heels, but you think these are totally adorable with that heart, check out the Preloved marketplace for the flat version as well. These are absolutely adorable as a pair of flats. I have it in a leopard patent print with a red heart, but it also comes in a black patent with a red heart, in a nude color with a pink heart, and in a black suede with an embroidered heart. I am declaring it now that the Dora Cora is the hot chick in a round toe version. No joke, if you look at these shoes, oh my god, they are the same shoe. The profile, the arch, the room in the toe box, the heel tap, the stiletto, everything is the same. The only difference is the Dora Cora is rounded at the top and the hot chick has that scalloped edge. That's it. You can see from the photos that the hot chick looks a little bit longer, but that is the part of the shoe that no toe will ever reach. So in reality, the toe box feels very similar on the Dora Cora as it does with the hot chick. If you like the hot chick, more than likely you're gonna like the Dora Cora as well, because it is the exact same shoe, just instead of a pointed toe box, it's a round toe box. The Dora Cora, I swear, is the exact same shoe as the Dorissima. Exact same shoe. The only difference is the heart and the color, but they have the same toe box, same room in the toe box, same pitch, same stiletto, same heel tap, everything. They are the same shoe. So if you have the Dorissima already and you like it, you will definitely like the Dora Cora. The Dora Cora has a very similar toe box to the Merci Allen. They're almost exactly the same. Just like with the Dorissima and the hot chick. You're gonna have a similar amount of space for your foot, and the break where your shoe starts to go up is gonna be the same. However, there is a big difference in the stiletto. The stiletto on the Dora Cora is a little bit further back than the stiletto on the Merci Allen. Both stilettos fit comfortably under your heel, so you're not gonna feel like you're walking on a stick. But because the placement is different, the Merci Allen to me feels a little bit taller. It just has a slightly more steep incline going down from your heel into the toe box. So the angle on that ramp on the insole is just a little bit steeper in the Merci Allen. If you're comfortable with the Merci Allen, you will definitely have no issue wearing the Dora Cora, and you may feel like it's even more comfortable. Now, if you're comparing the Dora Cora to the Fifi or the Fifille, there's definitely more room in the Fifi and the Fifille. They're a little bit longer and a little bit more rounded at the top. So if you have longer toes, you may actually prefer the Fifi or the Fifille. They do have a very similar incline on that ramp, so they're gonna feel about the same height. The stiletto on the Fifi is a little bit thinner than the Fifille, and so the stiletto is a lot more similar to the Dora Cora. The toe box is 80 millimeters. That is the regular width for the majority of Louboutin heels. It's truly a happy medium between narrow feet and wide feet. It's not so wide that narrow feet can't wear the shoe. Likewise, it's not so narrow that wide feet can't wear this shoe. Toe box style is of course a round almond toe, a little bit narrower at the top. Just like the Dorissima and the Hot Chick, it does have toe cleavage, but that heart does cover up a little bit of it. So if you're not 100% secure wearing toe cleavage, this is a good option. The result is that your two biggest toes will be covered. So your bigger toes may not see much toe cleavage, but your pinky toe and the last part of your foot is gonna get a little bit of toe cleavage. I love having the heart there because it makes your feet feel so much more secure in the shoe. The smallest heel tap that I've seen Louboutin make is 5 millimeters, and the Dora Cora is very close. It's actually 6 millimeters, which is the same heel tap width as the Hot Chick and the Dorissima. The Dora Cora was incredibly comfortable for me right out of the box. Now, with that heel tap being so tiny, you are gonna need to be careful with how much you walk outside on pavement in these. Pavement will burn through those tiny little heel taps like you wouldn't believe. I swear I get 3, maybe 5 days max out of my Louboutins that have the tiny little 6 millimeter heel taps. So just be aware of that. You will likely be able to outwalk the heel taps on the Dora Cora. What that means is that you're just gonna need to get the heel taps replaced more often than you would with a shoe that had a bigger heel tap, that's all. It's not the end of the world. I think it's like $40 at a cobbler to replace the heel taps, give or take a few bucks. But if you don't live near a good cobbler, you usually have to ship them in. So then you gotta pay to ship them to the cobbler to have them do the heel taps, and that's kind of a lot of money just to replace heel taps. I usually save all mine and then send them in at the same time to save a little money. I think these are so adorable, and if you like the look of the heart, you'll be able to wear these anywhere. They're gonna match any outfit, whether you are going out in jeans, if you're having a pinup day, if you're going on a date night, you're going out with girlfriends, you're going to get coffee, if you're going to work. I think these would honestly fit for anything. As long as you're one of those people that likes the cute little heart pinup look, these will be perfect for almost any outfit. With these being such a unique style, there is quite a range in the Preloved marketplace. The cheapest I've ever seen these go for is about $200, $225. And the most expensive is about $550, $600. There are listings that are even higher, but I've never seen them actually sell for that much. You'll notice that a lot when you look on the Preloved marketplaces is most shoes will be a decent price, but you may have a few outliers that are really expensive. I wouldn't even bother with those unless it's a shoe that you're absolutely in love with. The Dora Cora is the perfect blend of personality and wearability. The big heart gives it major cute pinup vibes, but it still feels classy and very Louboutin. It's also surprisingly comfortable, which makes it easy to wear for long events instead of just being a display shoe. The Dora Cora is a great choice for collectors or anyone who gravitates towards a more playful statement piece Louboutin. It's truly one of those rare statement stilettos that doesn't just look good sitting on the shelf. The Dora Cora is perfect for people who love romantic pinup style outfits, but who still want a shoe that's actually comfortable enough to wear out to events or to parties, or honestly even just out to coffee. Something that you can wear any day of the week and be comfortable and still feel beautiful. If you love heels with personality but refuse to sacrifice wearability, the Dora Cora is the perfect pick. If that's you, go grab them. Your single ladies era deserves red soles. Always remember, heartbreak is temporary. Louboutins are forever. Already rocking these? Drop a comment and share the love. Your real world experience could help another mama shark find her soulmate. See you in the next episode for another vintage treasure.